Welcome to Section 2, General Playground Safety History and Guiding Documents. In the 1970s, playground safety began to gain traction as injury data started supporting more and more injuries reported to hospitals. In 1981, the Consumer Product Safety Commission came out with a guiding document that will help you, the facility operators and owners, to make your playground safer. This document continues to exist today, and over time, additional documents have been developed. An organization called the American Society for Testing and Materials International also came out with a myriad of guiding documents starting in the late 80s and early 90s. These documents cover such things as safety surfacing, ADA access, and other playground equipment specific safety standards. Many local, state, and other authorities have adopted these guidelines and standards as part of their laws and local regulations. It's important to note that in the state of Rhode Island, there actually is no law requiring adherence to these guidelines and standards. However, the CPSC has been used in legal cases to establish precedents, as well as ASTM. Some quality rating agencies do require adherence to CPSC and ASTM through their own guidelines. One example would be ECHRS, or Early Childhood Rating Scale, which is based on the CPSC handbook. Insurance carriers also often require adherence to CPSC to avoid lawsuits or potential injuries. Most reputable playground designers follow these CPSC and ASTM standards. So if you're getting a playground design, it's a good chance that it'll be conformed to these documents. It's important to remember that you don't need to know everything inside these documents. Your job is to know they exist and know when to call in a professional. Your job is also to maintain safety on the playground through frequent inspections and general upkeep. Owner-operators should be able to identify the most common safety hazards and maintain safety documentation at their facility related to their playground. In the next section, we'll define what constitutes a safe playground and distinguish the differences between a risk and a hazard. Please answer the 3 questions at the end of this section, and we'll see you soon.